Trying to compare the ACE's ProArt Power 329C monitor to the TUF Gaming VG28UQL1A monitor. Which is best for you? This video will show you the key differences between them to help you decide. You can learn more about either model with the links in the description below. General info. Total tilt adjustment is the ability of the monitor head to move up and down. Tilt adjustment enables a user to change the viewing position of the display, creating a more comfortable view of the screen. Height. The height represents the vertical dimension of the product. Width. The width represents the horizontal dimension of the product. Thickness. The thickness, or depth, of the product. Weight. We consider a lower weight better because lighter devices are more comfortable to carry. A lower weight is also an advantage for home appliances, as it makes transportation easier, and for many other types of products. Volume. Volume is the quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by the product's chassis or, in simpler terms, the space the product occupies. Display. Response time. Response time is how long it takes for a display to change the state of pixels in order to show new content. The less time it takes to respond, the less likely it is to blur fast-changing images. Screen size. The bigger the screen size is, the better the user experience. Resolution. Resolution is an essential indicator of a screen's image quality, representing the maximum amount of pixels that can be shown on the screen. The resolution is given as a compound value, comprised of horizontal and vertical pixels. Pixel density. Pixel density is a measurement of a screen's resolution, expressed as the number of pixels per inch, ppi, on the screen. A higher pixel density translates into more clarity and sharpness for the images rendered on the screen, thus improving the quality of the viewing experience. Refresh rate. The frequency at which the screen is refreshed. Higher frequency results in less flickering, less noise, and more natural movement representation in action-intense scenes. Maximum horizontal viewing angle. Horizontal viewing angle is the maximum angle at which a display can be viewed with acceptable visual performance. Colors. Brightness. A nit is a measurement of the light that a display emits, equal to 1 candela per square meter. Brighter displays ensure a screen's contents are easy to read, even in sunny conditions. Display colors. Number of colors that a display can accurately reproduce. Bit depth. Bit depth is the number of bits used to indicate the color of a single pixel. The more bits, the more color range a panel displays. An 8-bit panel uses 256 levels per channel and displays 16.7 million colors, while a 10-bit one reaches 1024 and displays 1.07 billion colors. Contrast ratio. Contrast ratio is the visual distance between the lightest and the darkest colors that may be reproduced on the display. A high contrast ratio is desired, resulting in richer dark colors and more distinctive color gradation. Adobe RGB coverage. This shows the percentage of Adobe RGB covered by the device. Connectivity. HDMI ports. More HDMI ports mean that you can simultaneously connect numerous devices, such as video game consoles and set-top boxes. DisplayPort outputs. Allows you to connect to a display using DisplayPort. USB ports. With more USB ports, you are able to connect more devices. USB version. Newer USB versions are faster and have better power management. HDMI version. Power. Operating power consumption. How much power the device consumes when it's switched on. Audio output power. Audio output power is based on the number of speakers and their power in watts. High audio output power results in loud, clear sounds. Height adjustment range. Devices with height adjustment provide a full range of height possibilities resulting in maximum comfort.